My name is Xavier Rivas. I'm the hydraulics manager and I work here at Shred-Fast. We build mobile collection and document destruction trucks. We don't do our own shredding. We build shred trucks for companies that buy them. And we also build the collection trucks for companies that have plant-based shredding operations. In a hydraulics technician, I'm looking for somebody that is willing to learn, can work with their hands, knows how to take directions, and just as a team player.
I got my mechanical engineer and I learned a lot about hydraulic when I was in college, and I was looking for a job, and Shred-Fast hired me as a hydraulic technician. What helping me to become a successful here at Shred-Fast is working as a team and learning new stuff every day.
Hydraulics mechanic is a great asset to any company because they're the ones that supply the power to do the work that you're trying to get done. There's opportunities out there everywhere. Every state in the US and around the world has some kind of hydraulics working in it. Shred-Fast does offer on-the-job training in hydraulics.
I love hydraulic technician. It's an interesting job.
Learn more about careers and career paths at careerexplorenw.org.